Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 34 how to create a list on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then to create a list, go to the left hand side navigation bar, click on lists. We can go to the right top corner of list to create a list, or we can click on create a list. Name the list. I'll just say computer science videos. And then have a description. Let's just say videos. Make this private or leave it public. When the list is private, only you can view the list. When it's public to the world. Click on next. We can add members if we require to. Done. So now we are in the list. This is the list. 0 members, 0 subscribers at the moment. As time progresses, we can add members, subscribers. That really depends on your activity, what you do, and how you do this to increase the traction to your list. Go back to your profile. Quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.